Hey there, my name's Matt, and I own an e-commerce company that sells all sorts of merchandise all over the internet. We spend about $150,000 a month on Facebook, and we have added Alex to our team recently to do some consulting and to help us out. And I can say that he has delivered ROI like never before. He understands the ins and outs of retargeting and of Facebook like you wouldn't imagine. He's incredible to work with. He's super professional, always available, and most importantly, he delivers results all the time. And we're a fairly large company that spends a lot, and for him to impress us like this, it's really pretty serious. So we've only been working with him for a few months, but he's certainly proven his worth, and we will be working with him till the end of time. It's rare that I talk so highly about somebody in the industry because everybody's got the pitch and very few people can back it up. Alex has the pitch. He can back it up. He makes a lot of sense. He's growing our business fantastically, and I'm so glad to have him as part of our team and to have him as a partner. Thanks, Alex.